Hello, my darling. It is me, Ginger. Thanks so much for pressing play on this video. In this video, I'm going to show you how I make my triple detox bar. Here are some of the ingredients that I've added to make this a triple detoxifying bar. We've got organic oils and butters of rice bran, palm, coconut oil, cocoa butter, castor seed oil, neem seed oil, coconut charcoal instead of the regular wood charcoal, sulfur silt mud, Kaolin Clay, and it is scented with lemongrass and with the addition of salt and rosemary leaf extract as a natural preservative. The key ingredients in this bar are sulfur, charcoal, and Kaolin clay. The sulfur absorbs any sort of excess oil from your skin. The charcoal removes any impurities and excess oil as well. And then you've got the white, gentle Kaolin clay that is known to cleanse and exfoliate dead skin cells. Now here are some of my skin tips when using my bar, this bar, or any other natural bar. You want to exfoliate on your dry skin with a dry brush daily, preferably in the morning time. Exfoliate with sugar, salt, or some sort of physical exfoliant that's gentle, and you want to do this twice a week. Eat your fibrous foods and hydrate regularly, and after your bath or shower, apply a moisturizer to your wet skin to lock in moisture. Thank you so much for watching this video and watching me how I make my triple detox bar made with sulfur and charcoal and Kaolin clay for skin detoxification. I'll be happy to wrap up your order and I can't wait to see you in the next video.